What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a Smith grind on a mini ramp. We're going to be doing this front side because front side Smith grinds are a lot easier than backside Smith grinds. I'm goofy footed, so I skate with my right foot forward. So when I'm showing you with my hands, you have to think about it as my right foot being in front. So before you learn this trick, you want to learn how to just do a little slash grind where you just barely hit the coping front side. It's easier to do that than to do a Smith. It's best to start out with a small mellow quarter pipe like this. So after you learn to do that little slasher grind, just barely get your truck up on the coping, you're just going to go a little bit farther with it and just push your back heel side wheel up against the coping. All your weight is on your back foot, pinched either like in this pocket or right on the tail, anywhere that you feel comfortable with, but just kind of pinched on the tail, holding the board up against the coping. For me, it's easier at first to just kind of barely be on there and then come in, but I want you to really learn to get all the way up to the point where you can really pinch it and hold it and even come to a stop, staying up in the Smith grind, pop back in. Another thing that's absolutely essential to learn before you learn to do the Smith grind is to come fakie and go into a fakie Smith stall. The fakie Smith stall is easier because you don't have to turn into it and hold as much weight on the heel. Since you're just going fakie, your weight's already naturally there, so it's easy to get in, and then it can help teach you to pop back in before you ever try to actually turn a 180 into a Smith stall. So all your weight's on your back foot the whole time you're grinding. If your weight's on your front foot at all, you're going back in. So to get out of this trick, all you do is put weight on your front foot, turn your front shoulders into the ramp. To make sure you don't hang up on the coping, you can kind of lift your front wheels up and pop a little bit, or just kind of push the board in, just to make sure you don't turn and somehow get caught up like that. Another thing that's really going to help with Smith grinds on ramps or on ledges is having a reverse kingpin. Any type of flat kingpin here that doesn't dig into the ledge is definitely going to help. I have a video about how to install these in any trucks. If you want to check that out, it's probably a few weeks back on my videos. I do videos almost every single day, so you might have to look back maybe 20 videos. So that's how you do a Smith grind on a mini ramp. I do a lot of ramp trick tutorials, but I also do a lot of flip tricks and just street type tricks. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.